So having heard the perspectives of our three respondents in response to the first question, we now move to the second question, in which we ask them what were the corporate, country, and industry successes and constraints in Africa's response to the COVID-19 pandemic, and what were the lessons learned. As a social enterprise, we at GQR aim to contribute to the understanding as well as the practice of governance, because we firmly believe that this enhances economic and social trust, which play a critical role in determining the investment and development outcomes of our markets. And so we embrace the insights of practitioners, those who on a daily basis are grappling with governance-related challenges in their own institutions, their organizations, and their business environments. And so through our Knowledge Hub, we provide a forum where colleagues can share their reflections and lessons learned about their real-life governance experiences. And so in 9 short interviews, 1 business leader, 1 question and 1 perspective at a time, we share with you here their perspectives on resilience, response, learning and recovery. Sadia Chinery-Hesse is the company secretary and the group head legal for Enterprise Group, which is a regional insurance group operating in Nigeria, Ghana, and the Gambia.
So COVID did hit our shores. How did corporate Ghana and country Ghana react? We went into full response mode. The government announced a 4-week lockdown at the end of March. But I must say that even before that, some companies had taken the bold initiative of closing down their offices because they identified that transmission prevention was the key thing at that stage. And that could happen among staff and between staff and customers. And therefore, despite the obvious financial impact it would have, they decided that life and health are more important, and therefore they would activate the agile working mechanisms. And so staff were equipped to work from home, work remotely, laptops, routers, data connectivity, and so on. Because of course business had to continue. Things couldn't grind to a halt. But we also saw an encouraging level of patriotism. The CSI, corporate social initiatives, were very, very encouraging. Companies made donations of PPEs and sanitizers and so on. They offered all sorts of things to frontline health workers and so on. The government itself, I think, must be commended for some of the initiatives they took to have free water consumption for a period, reduced electricity consumption, transport allowances for health workers, and so on. The idea being to cushion the impact of COVID on the citizenry without compromising health standards. The level of creativity and competitiveness amongst corporates to see who could come out with the best response was also interesting. Some of the initiatives such as free insurance premiums and so on. So the response, I think, was highly appropriate.
And so despite the fact that Ghana may not have been well prepared for the COVID-19 pandemic, it seems that from Sadia's point of view, at both the country and the corporate level, Ghana responded remarkably well and with considerable agility to the crisis that they were forced to face up to because of the COVID-19 pandemic.